Welcome to Ankita's Study Room, and I am Ankita.
What is the difference between conductors and insulators?
Before we know that, let us first know what are conductors and insulators. Let us first discuss about conductors.
What are conductors? Conductors are those materials that allow heat, electricity, or any energy to flow through them easily. That is, they allow the electrons present in them to move freely. And insulators are just opposite of conductors. That is, they don't allow the electrons present in them to move freely. So, insulators are those materials that don't allow heat, electricity, or any energy to flow through them. Now let's see some examples of conductors and insulators. Conductors: silver, copper, gold, aluminium, iron, steel, graphite, bronze, mercury, tungsten, etc. Insulators: glass, rubber, oil, dry cotton, dry paper, dry wood, plastic, air, diamond, ebonite, etc.
Both conductors and insulators have a wide variety of practical applications in our daily life. Let us see some of them.
The cooking utensils are provided with handles made up of insulating materials like plastic or wood. Why is this so? This is because the utensils are usually made up of metals. So, when we touch it, there is a chance that our hand may get burned. So, the handles are made up of insulating materials so that we can lift the hot utensil safely from its handle without the risk of burning our hands. You will find that the body of the utensils are made up of metals like aluminium or iron. Why is this so? This is because metals are conductors of heat and they can help to cook our food quickly and easily. The electrical wires are provided with a layer of insulating materials like rubber or plastic over them. Why is this so? This is because the wires are usually made of copper. So, when we touch it, there is a chance that we may get an electric shock. So, to prevent that, the wires are coated with insulating materials like rubber or plastic over them. But you will find that the electric wires are made up of metals like copper or aluminium. Why is that so? This is because copper and aluminium are conductors of electricity. So, they are used to make wires so that the current flows smoothly through them and there is no blockage to the circuit. Summary: Conductors. Conductors are those materials that allow heat, electricity, or any energy to flow through them easily. Insulators are those materials that don't allow heat, electricity, or any energy to flow through them. Conductors, they allow the electrons present in them to move freely. Insulators, they don't allow the electrons present in them to move freely. Conductors example, metallic objects like silver, copper, gold, etc. Insulators example, non-metallic objects like plastic, rubber, air, etc. For today, this much only. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. And don't forget to share, comment and like the video. Bye.